All right, this can be a little backwards. We actually just got back from the hike that you're about to see, but I wanted to show you how we found that hike. Not a sponsored video. This is just an app that I use and I like. It's called AllTrails. So we'll go ahead and open up the app. It's also, you can just go to the website, AllTrails. So I knew we wanted to go to the Mt Rainier National Park. So zoom in there. Up here at the top, you can select what activity you want. So for us, we wanted to do hiking. So you can hit those trails, and then you set the different parameters up here. You are going wild. So set the parameters up here for suitability. We selected kid-friendly and stroller-friendly. So we weren't sure if we were going to bring Jet in the stroller or the front pack, which we ended up doing the front pack. That worked out great. So from there you can see those trails. Zoom in there. And we ended up selecting the Nisqually Vista Trail. So it shows you the ratings, the ease of the trail. So this was easy. It's rated 4.6, has over 2,000 reviews. So you can go through there and see all of those parameters, the description of it, and you can even preview the trail. This is on the plus version, which is $36 a year, but you'll get to see a little demo of it like that. So anyways, that is AllTrails. Give it a look and go find your next hike. We'll see you out there. Hey Phoebes, where are we?
At the Snow Mountain.
Snow Mountain? You say Mt Rainier?
Right, Mt Rainier.
Here we got Jetson. He's 7 weeks old. We thought we'd take him to the mountain today.
No, don't get me.
So my last trip, taking the kayak out, was my first trip with this new Fjallraven hit pack. Like it a lot. I'm gonna take it again today. And this little pocket back here is great for the GoPro, just to store it real quick. What are you eating there, Phoebes? You say Uncrustable? Uncrustable. Good trail food. What?
We almost took the tippy top mountain.
Are we?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Ready out here.
I picked up some extra weight on the trail. What do you think, Phoebes? Where's the mountain?
It's right behind you. Well, how we get way up there?
It would be a big, big hike. Snow gear, and you need, what else do we need? You need like an ice axe.
Yep. So, are you wanting to go all the way to the top of the mountain?
Yeah.
Okay, we can make that a goal, but that'd be years and years away. You want to do that someday?
No.
Wait, come here. Phoebes, come here. Do you want to climb the mountain?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a really tall mountain, so we gotta train for it. Do you want to do that with me?
Sure.
Okay. Let's do it. Boom. What do I have on my shoulder? What's on my shoulder right now? What is that?
Baby. It looks very dark.
You wanna go in there?
No. I got you.
Nice job, Phoebes. What'd you think of that hike? It was fun. All right, Jet, that was your first hike. What'd you think of it? Little grunt. What'd you think of it, Mama?
It was easy.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't like that. Okay. Someone's nap time.